Voiceover videos are trending all over social media, whether it is for a get ready with me or day in a life or whatever thing that you use voiceover or people use voiceover videos for. And you must be wondering how they make those so that you can also make it for yourself or for your brand. Worry not, because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can shoot and edit your own voiceover videos using just your smartphone. Are you excited already? So am I. Let's jump right into the video. Let's start with the shooting of your voiceover video. Depending on what you actually want to shoot the video about, and then add your voice. Maybe you're going to the market. I just want to take people to the market, right? I would actually always suggest that if you cannot hold your phone very perfectly to, get the shot, all right, you might want to get a selfie stick or a gimbal. I have some gimbals here that will help to ensure stability. Now, you want to ensure that you're getting the most important aspects of your video. In fact, if it's for get ready with me, you might just want to mount your camera or your phone right before you and make sure you have the full, your full body image, all right, on the frame before you start shooting. If you do not have a friend that is going to look at it to tell you, okay, it is on the frame, I would always suggest that you take like 5 seconds shoot to see how it is, how if your body is in, and then start to stretch your hand as much as you can to make sure that all part of your body is in the frame. However, if you're going to shoot a get ready with me video or just a static video that you want to just do some things and then add a voiceover to it, the best thing you might want to do is to get a tripod. In fact, I should say that tripods or ring lights are literally like in every person's home in 2024, all right? But the other ones where you have to move around or where you have to show your day in your life or go to the market with me or go to shop with me, whatever, what you might want to do is to hold the phone like this and then just walk with it. You can show your feet moving, all right? And you can even get some cinematic view where you just go around like this from point A to point B, or you can even go up like this and the rest, okay? And then you might want to also look for spots that you can just place your phone and just pass by. All those things are just for cinematic or B-roll captions. But if you have a friend that is going to be going to those places with you, well, you're already blessed. But if you do not have, then you might just want to use your selfie cameras. Most times, some selfie cameras are not as crisp quality as the rear camera, so you don't have to always use your selfie camera or your front camera to take all the shots. You can actually keep your phone this way, all right, and then just take your shot just for the sake of capturing a quality video. So this is unexhaustible. Just however way you want to flex your shots, get your footages, please do. And I always suggest that you get to see other people's get ready with me or a day in my life or whatever type of video, see the shots that they got and also how they were able to position their cameras, their phones, all right? This is something that you might want to explore, however angles that you want to take the videos of. So we're going to be using Capcut, like I already mentioned, for our editing. So now we are on Capcut, okay? I'm going to tap on our new project and then, all right. So these are the shots, okay, that I took. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, these are all the shots that I took, and definitely I cannot have all of these shots. I think this is about 5 minutes or thereabout, because most get ready with me are like 1 minute to 2 minutes, depending on the platform you're putting it on. If it's a YouTube shot, it's 59 seconds, and then some might take 1 minute and 30 seconds, and then if it's TikTok, then it can go all the way long. All right, so I'm just going to pick out some spots from this video. So I'm going to select this 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, and then I'm going to add the shots. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do some speed drums here. All right, so this is the first shot. All right, and then I moved in. Okay, from moving in to this point, I'm going to split. So just tap on the video and split to when to this point. All right, so I handed over the phone to my wife to get the other shot. All right, so this is now me coming in here. Okay, so this is the first shot, and then You can see how it moved from my hand opening the door into me coming in. All right. So the next thing is I'm going to just move all the way to when I tapped on the lights, both lights. Okay. And then I turned on the camera, and then I'm moving, and then I get to sit down. Okay. There are some things that are not meant to be. So whatever thing that is not meant to be there, okay, just tap split and then open it to when to the parts that you want to be there. So I'm going to try as much as possible to reduce this video to 1 minute or 59 seconds because I want to use it as a YouTube short. Okay, so you can see we've reduced the video from 6 minutes to 2 minutes and 41 seconds, but that's not all. We need to work on the lighting. Okay, I'm going to just tap here. All right, and then I'm going to do the color grading, tap on the adjust, then tap on the contrast. I'm going to increase the contrast rather, okay, to like 15, and then I'm going to tap apply all. I'm going to reduce the brilliance to like another 15. Then I'm going to increase the sharpening to 50, I guess, and tap on apply all. Then for this one, that's the highlight. I like to always reduce the highlight. So this is actually just for my video. So your color grading might actually be different from what I have here, please. Okay. Finally, my shadow. I always like to increase my shadow. So I'm just going to increase my shadow to 15. All right. And let me make sure I also applied all. All right. So next up, we have the video. Okay, we have the video, but before then we are now going to export the video. So I like to increase it to 2K. Okay, so let's export. We are exporting the video now. We have exported, so I'm going to tap on the new project again and then add the video that I exported. Okay, so now you can see that we still have 2 minutes and 43 seconds. So I'm going to select the video, tap on speed, and then I'm going to go to the curve. So I'm just going to go to bullets. Okay, and from the bullets I can just add the speed run. So you can see the speed I've reduced the video to 1 minute. All right, so next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the video, go to volume and remove the sound of the video. All right, so I've removed the sound of the video. Then all right, so you can see that the video have reduced to a drastic 57 seconds, but it's going to, you're going to see some parts fast, okay, and at a point you're actually going to see some parts very slow, as you can see. So that's what the speed run did. All right, so the next thing we are going to do is we are now going to add our voiceover. So how do you do that? So we are assuming that you do not have a mic. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to tap on audio over here, then you're going to tap on voiceover, and then when you tap on the voiceover, and then you're going to record to watch the voiceover. All right, so this is the process I think to start, create, shoot and edit my YouTube video. So this is me arriving in the studio and I'm currently doing the video scripting, and over here is my wife already setting up the lights and setting up all the equipment that we're going to be using for the shooting. All right, so you can see all of the smartphones that we use for shooting. So if you do not believe that all our videos are always shot on a smartphone, so here is the proof. Okay, so here is me already setting up the lighting for the RGB. So we've turned on the red, and then we are over here, we've also turned on the blue. The mic is also set, and all the places have already been turned to blue, and we are ready to shoot. Okay, so you can see the audio, right? You can see the audio. So I'm going to play the audio so you see how it sounds. All right, so this is the process I take. So you can hear all the noise, right? You can hear all the noise. Shoot and edit my YouTube video. All right, so you can hear all the noise. So now what we're going to do now is, on working on the sound, is we're going to tap on the audio. We're going to go all the way and tap on reduce noise. So you can see reducing noise. So let me just pause it. All right, so the noise have been reduced first. Okay, so let's make sure that the noise was reduced. All right, so the noise was let's hear it first. All right, so you can see that the noise was reduced, but not so reduced. So I'm going to tap on the voiceover again. We're going to go to volume and increase the volume to the loudest. So now you can hear the noise very well. There's a generator sounding, by the way. Okay, generator republic. All right, so the next thing is we are going to go to enhance voice. All right, we're going to go to enhance voice and tap turn on. All right, so this is the all right, so the noise have been filtered. So let's still tap and increase it to 100. Okay. All right. Okay, so now you can hear there is no noise anymore. All right, so this is the process I take to start creating. All right, so now the next thing I may also want to do, in the case of you recorded and there is some noise in the sound or whatever in the background, you can actually come to where you see isolate voice and tap on keep voice. The AI is going to take out all the noise, all the music, and only keep your voice. All right, so we can see the new voiceover that we have here. Arriving the studio. All right, so the next thing you might also want to do is probably to add your captions. All right, so if you just tap on test, okay, and then tap on the auto captions. All right, so you can see voiceover already selected. So I'm going to just look for the right voiceover to you, or the right template to use. So I'm going to select this one. Let's see how this one, or we can select, oh, okay, let me go for this. All right, so the next thing, we're just going to tap generate. So our audio has been generated and the subtitles of captions have also been generated. So let's play. All right, so this is the process I take to start, create, shoot, and edit my YouTube video. So this is me arriving in the studio and I'm currently doing the video scripting. And over here is my wife already setting up the lights and setting up all the equipment that we're going to be using for the shooting. Okay, so you can see all the voiceover. Now, the final one is probably you want to add your title. So all you need to do is actually to go to, you might even want to use a template, all right? Or just tap on add tests, okay? And then you see templates. Then you can select any template at all that you want to use for your edit, all right? You might select any template at all. You can see different templates here that you can choose from, all right, and simply add the title of your video. And finally, this is what we have at the end of our edit. This is how days when I shoot my video looks like. I arrive the studio and get to plan the video and plan the script. Then over here, my wife gets to start setting up the studio and putting in the... Okay guys, I hope that was helpful. I believe you can now be able to create a more cinematic and professional voiceover video for yourself or for your brand. If this video was really helpful to you, do let me know on the comment down below. And to watch the latest video I also did about editing trending videos with Capcut, you might want to click this video over here. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel to keep watching awesome smartphone tutorials to help boost your productivity with your smartphone, then hit this button over here to subscribe. With this, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.